Are you a music producer and want to start a typebeast channel? Or you already have a channel but just done hiding your subscribers count and making 0 sales per month? Do you want to learn how to monetize your music and make a living off of selling beats? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, then I'll show you in this video how you can actually do that in 2022. By the end of this video, you'll be super motivated and have enough knowledge to turn your passion into profit. So if you're all ready for this, let's just get down to business. Now you're going to be needing 2 things to get started. Number 1, high quality beats. And number 2, a brand and visuals to sell your beats. Both of these things are essential for success on YouTube. Stunning visuals and branding will get artists to click on your beat. And high quality beats will keep the listeners to continue watching, giving you a boost in the algorithm. Now let's look at the importance of high quality beats. I have 2 beats right here, A and B. I'm going to play both of them one by one, and you're going to have to tell me which one of them is much more sales worthy. So which one is it? If you pick beat A, you're correct. The beat A sounds more modern and has much wider appeal in the current environment than beat B. This explains why some beats rack in millions of views and get sold for thousands of dollars, while others struggle to make any sales or get any views. Now in terms of quality, what exactly is there in these beats that attract so many people to them? Well, the answer is good production and picking popular and trending artists to base the beats around. These beats are mixed, mastered, arranged, all that while taking account of the current trends in the music, which makes more people keep listening to the beat, making it go viral and rack thousands upon thousands of views. Now let's look at the importance of visuals while selling beats. Which one of these 2 beats thumbnails look more appealing to you? If you pick this one, you're correct, because while one gets almost no views, one gets more than optimum results. Let us look at another example. Which one of these 2 type beats pages do you like more? If you pick this one, you'll be correct, because while one page is optimized in terms of colors, text style, and other visuals, while the other page is inconsistent. Sticking to a style when it comes to visuals is extremely important to build brand trust and make you look like a professional producer. While you do this, artists are much more likely to purchase beats from you again and again. Now that we have understood the importance of beat quality and visuals, we'll talk about picking up a niche. Selecting a niche can make it or break it for you. If you pick the correct niche, it can get you a lot of views and it can get you a lot of subscribers. If not, then you'll be stuck with 2 subs and will have to hide your subscribers count. Picking a right niche requires you to ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, do I like making this style of music? Number 2, do a lot of people like this style? And number 3, are there popular artists making music in this style whose name you can use to brand your beats? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then you can select that niche. Otherwise, it's wise to reconsider what you're going for. Just remember, you can't make trap one day and EDM the next day. Therefore, sticking to a single style of type beats is much more important now than ever. This is going to be the end of the video, and if you do all these things with diligence, you'll see good results over time, and the only catch here is to remain consistent.